Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. Let's revise 7th and 8th lesson for your upcoming exams again. So let's get started. The first bit is fill in the blanks, and the first question is the dash of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The answer is President, not the Prime Minister. Okay, so the President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The national capital territory of India is located on the banks of river Yamuna, right? The Amar Jawan Jyoti burns in dash. It burns in the India Gate. Okay, so the answer is India Gate. Red Fort, a red sandstone fort, was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. The Lu wind blows in Delhi in the dash season, in summer season. Okay, the next question is Qutub Minar is as high as a 5-story tower. Is it true? Yes. The Prime Minister stays in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. True or false? Yes, right, false. Why? Because in Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President stays in it, not the Prime Minister. May and June are the coldest months in Delhi. True or false? False. Why? Because May and June are the summer seasons. It will be hottest season, right? Next, Jama Masjid is the largest mosque in India. Yes, true. It is the largest mosque in India. There is no metro rail system in Delhi. Is it true? False. Why? Because there is metro rail system in Delhi. The Red Fort is a huge sandstone fort. Is it true? Yes, right. True. And it's in red color. That's why it's called as a Red Fort. Now the next bit is choose the right answer. The first question is the Akshardham temple is located in dash Delhi. East Delhi, West Delhi or North Delhi? The answer is East Delhi. It is towards the east direction. Okay. Next, dash are high government officials who represent their country in another country. So the answer is ambassadors. We call them as ambassadors, not the ministers or presidents. They are the people who represent their country in the other country. Okay. Next, the dash system is a fast means of transport in Delhi. Is it metro, ferry, auto rickshaw? Yes, right, metro. The Jama Masjid was built by the Emperor Dash, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Humayun. Yes, the answer is Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan has built this Jama Masjid and also the Red Fort. Next, Delhi has two kinds of government, the state government and the dash government. The answer is central government. Okay, and the duty of central government is to look after the needs of the whole nation, right? Now let's revise the 8th lesson bits. So here we go. The first question is Mumbai is an dash city, inland city, island city or Iceland city? Yes, right, it's an island city. Why? Because long time ago Mumbai was made of 7 islands. That is why it's an island city. Island spelling is ISLAND, island. S will be silent. Next, Mumbai is the capital of dash Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Yes, right, Maharashtra. The climate of Mumbai is dash. Is it very cold, very hot or moderate? Yes, right, the answer is moderate. Next, fourth question. Mumbai was once a group of 7 islands of dash villages. Farming villages, fishing villages or the pottery making? Yes, right, fishing villages. Why? Because in the history we have learned that long time ago the Mumbai was made of 7 islands which were full of marshy forest and small fishing villages of the Koli people. So the answer is fishing villages. Next, dash is a famous beach of Mumbai. Is it Warsaw, Marine Drive or Elephanta? Yes, right, Warsaw is the famous beach. Next, true or false? The people who originally lived in the Mumbai area are the Kolis. Yes, right, true. Long time ago, Koli people used to live in the Mumbai. So the answer is true. Srikhand is a famous sweet of Mumbai. Is it true? Yes, right. It's a famous dessert of the Mumbai. The local trains are the only means of transport in Mumbai. False. Why? Because in Mumbai you can see the other transport facilities also, like the buses, which are even double decker and etc. Next, Mumbai has many factories. Is it true? Yes, right. That is why Mumbai is known as the financial capital of India. Next one, Mumbai has a metro rail system. Is it true? Yes, right. True. Next is the match the following. Queen's gold necklace. It's nothing but the Marine Drive. Marine Drive at night it looks like a queen's gold necklace when the lights of the building lights up. Okay? Next, it has a house shaped like a shoe. It's Kamala Nehru Park. It's like a shoe. Okay? Its shape is like a shoe. Next, the famous beach is Juhu. Versova, Juhu, Chowpatty, these are the famous beaches of the Mumbai. Bread eaten along with vegetable gravy. Is it pav bhaji or bhel puri? Yes, right. Pav bhaji is the right answer. Next one is the location of oil fields is called as dash. It's called as the Bombay High. Well, that's it, children. It was the end of our PA2 revision. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, write your exams well. Allah Hafiz.